So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today, let's do an unboxing and review on this Black & Decker DustBuster Beyond. So I just opened the box. Let's see what comes inside the box first. Then we're gonna charge it up, and then we're gonna see exactly how it cleans. So this is the color blue. Now you are going to have to plug the base in. So the base is where it charges it. This wire is hard attached to this, so you can't take it off. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it in. And then the way it's gonna charge is, you can just set it there like on the table. You can have this setting there like this. You don't have to hang it on the wall, but it is nice if you mount this to the wall like this, and it's gonna sit there like this. It's charging. It's so easy to grab it and go. It only operates when you're pressing the button. When you're done, there's a big thing for it to line up with. You just simply put it there and it's gonna charge it. So again, let's see how it operates. It only has vacuum. That's a momentary switch. When I let go, it stops. It's got a crevice tool. I can pull this crevice tool out. You get a little bit extended reach. When I do have to push right here to get that crevice tool to go back in. And then there is this little brush I can put right here if I want to kind of help sweep some stuff up. Now, after I've collected all of my dirt and debris, I'm going to press this button right here. And now I got to take this over to the trash can. You're going to take the filter out. There's a nice little handle here that you can grab. Take the filter out. Then you're going to empty all this out. Once in a while, this filter here, you do have to kind of blow it off, shake it off. You can even rinse it off with water, but make sure it's dry before you use it again. To put it back in, there's a curved side and a long side. So kind of find it, make sure you put it in just like that. If you don't have this in, it's not gonna mount back on here. There's nothing else to take apart on here. This is so simple to operate. You're gonna first put the bottom in. There's a notch and like a little thing there. So put that in first, rotate it up, and it clicks in. It's pretty simple. And charging's pretty simple. And it operates very simple. So let's see how it does on some dirt and debris on a couch. Okay, so I'm gonna press the button. We're gonna turn it on. Let's take the brush off. Let's extend the crevice tool out a little bit. I can get down in there. Very, very lightweight. Okay, so if you take your time, it does a good job picking everything up. We're gonna take it to the trash can. Again, nothing's gonna come out until I take this filter out. So take this filter out. You may have to kind of knock some of the stuff off. Turn it upside down. There. Now just make sure when you put it back in. And again, kind of line this up. I was getting that off a little bit earlier. Yeah, it goes together really nice. You can leave it on the charger all the time. So it can be on the charger, ready to go all the time. Let's do some really quick measurements. So, with it sticking out from the wall, about 5.5 inches. It's about 16.5 inches tall, and wide is about 5 inches tall. There is a light on the charger, an LED light. That's the only light. There's no light on this. Let's go over. You can plug this 120 volts to 600 hertz, 200 milliamp hours is what it consumes. 8.2 volts is what this puts out to charge this. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.